Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to talk about Design Manager. When you log into the MCM and get to your event dashboard, as you can see this Design Manager here. And Design Manager, this feature allows you to manage the look and feel, the module settings for this particular event. So once you're in here, you actually can pick the type of menu that you want to have. You can pick a tile style, you can pick icon style, and once you select that, it will change. But right now, this is a tile style, and the top portion is the event banner, which is already in the event setup area. So inside this, you'll be able to every single mod you can drag and drop about where you want this tile or menu to be, and you can also override the name, because this is like a default name, and then you can override it. For instance, you might want the sponsors or speakers to call presenters, so you'll be able to override that. Like sessions, you can call it activities, or schedule if you like. Attendees, you want to call participants, you can override it. And at the same time, you can also change the tile, and then you can upload the image for that particular tile. And on the top left, you can also hide this particular feature. And if they're being hidden, you can also turn them back on if you like. Okay, so the ones that you can say are hidden, you can find them and then turn them back on if you like. Of course, there are a few modules that you cannot just enable it yourself, because we have some third-party platform to configure, like the event feed, like the chat module. You need to inform the Eventpedia team so we can work on that. Now, another thing you can see here is a theme manager. This allows you to change the header once you are inside the app. So you'll be able to change the header, inside the app, and also the text. You can also change the text color. You can see the text color will get changed. So the text color here, and inside the list, this color here, you can also change. So this text color can change. You see the color is changing. Okay. So you can all control kind of the colors. And this is like a background color. Okay. So you can see that. So those are the things you can also set up. Now, if you have purchased the virtual platform, which is for your attendee, the desktop version. So if you really look at, and this is where you can manage the videos, the countdown, the banners, and all that, and also can be configured here. And once you log in, you can also configure the lobbies about which module will go to which door, and some banners here. So these two are really set up for this, the digital version of the interface. Okay, and if you come back to the main menu setup, if you edit it here, you can also see if for instance, the sponsor module, you can actually say, do you allow this, on the lobby, on which door. So you can manage something like that as well. Now, if you are using data filter, if you don't know what data filter is, go to Resource Center. You can find data filter, or you go to our Eventpedia YouTube channel, you can find it, and then you'll be able to add another module and apply a data filter to it. Okay, so once you're done, you want to make sure and save and finish, so it will get saved. And then once you launch the app next time, information is going to get reflected. So like I said, from here you can override the name, enable, disable, or drag them, change the order, or upload a different graphics. Okay, hope this helps. Thank you. Again, if you have any questions, send an email to info@eventpedia.com. We'll be more than happy to help you. Thank you.